All right, so here it is, crossbow. It's a Carbon Express X-Force blade, and what I'm going to show you is a do-it-yourself block target that I'm going to make with old clothing. Let's see if it will stop 165-pound crossbow. Let's get started. Alright, so we're going to get ready to make a target. Hopefully it will stop my crossbow bolts. I don't see why it would not. So the first thing is I grab a box. And so as you see here, it's a Reese's box. First thing I did was duct tape the whole bottom, get it nice and secure, and then I did up along the sides. Now, what I'm going to use for fill is old clothes, mostly old blue jeans. So I'm going to take, fold them up, pack them down in here as tight as I possibly can. I'll shut the flaps, duct tape it down over, get a good duct tape job like I did on the bottom, and I'll use the sides that I'll be shooting at. So it'll be interesting to see. We'll probably do this on a time lapse, and we'll see if it stops my bolts. All right, stick with me. We'll see what happens. All right, guys. So you just saw I put a bunch of layers of blue jeans in here. I'd go a layer this way, then I'd go this way, then I go this way, and then in the center I took a bunch of old t-shirts, work shirts that I had, and I'd fold them in half, and then I'd fold them 3 times, and then I'd stack them in this way, and then I'd take one completely across, stack a couple more in, one completely across, and then I finished it off with two more pair of blue jeans and 2 pair of blue jean shorts. And now you see I got it here. Now it's just a matter of getting this all pushed in nice and tight and get this duct tape. so as you see, this will be the front of the target. I have this distance here. I didn't measure it, but I will measure it and I'll put it in the screen right here. All right, and then this would be the back. This is where I had to bifold it. So I might go ahead and put some tape on here, but the next thing is let's see if this will stop crossbow bolts out of a 165-pound crossbow. Here is the setup. As you see, I got the box that I just made full of clothes. I do got a couple other targets behind it on either side and above it. This crossbow, I'm not sure is sighted in yet. Like I said, I bought it used, so we will see. I got it, the target set kind of low, and we'll see if it will stop the crossbow bolt. I used the top line. That might be for 10 yards, but as you see, it shot low. That you can see it went into that block, and let's take a look how much penetration that thing got. So that's how much penetration we got into that block target that I just made with a crossbow bolt. So I will measure that and put it right here. So I've shot it a couple times, about a dozen. As you see, my grouping's pretty good. I might have to go about another 1/4 inch to the right, and but I wanted to show you how well this stopped. So I got my thumb right where it's up against. That far. That far. And that far there. So as you see, it does stop it. So very cheap, inexpensive. All right. Got maybe $1 or $2 in the duct tape, and it's all old clothes in an old box.